Siyanibingelela bazalwane egameni likaJesu. This is Pastor Wise Khumalo, a friend from KZN, Wamashurasi Apostolic Faith Mission, ibandla lezenzo. And also with KZN I'm involved with church planting. My facilitator Bishop Umbonambi from Zululand region. So I'm working under him as a church planter. Namhlanje nginomfundisi uMjungula from Eastern Cape, uzoyi-introducer, uzosinikeza i-secret ye-church growth. Remember this year sinama-target as KZN, Eastern Cape, i-South Africa yonke. Sifuna ukuplanta amabandla as i-Apostolic Faith Mission. Umjungula sekulingela.
Siyabulea.
Yeah, ake utshele abefundisi nabazane laphana about yourself just a little bit.
Yes, ndiyabulisa kubazalwane abafundisi. Ndingulindela Mjungula eMzimvubu region. Ndiphethe ibandla eliseMargate basically kuthiwa i-AFM Christian Family Assembly.
Thank you so much. Mfundisi, you have assembly and branch assemblies actually, because most of your branches are building and properties, teams, fundis who are serving under you, and the youth here is so vibrant. Can you tell us your secret? We all want that. We all want to see that, but seems like it's not automatic.
Yeah. No, it's not automatically. Basically, I think into esiyibambileyo i-principle yokuba abazalwane balapha banga-fellowship most of the time xa befika endaweni. Azi ukuthi they have a responsibility to start something, and so that's what we've done so far. If unomzalwane oyi-university or umzalwane ofumana umzi somewhere else, they have a responsibility to start something there with our assistance from the main church. And the second principle we're holding that is helping us, imego of making abazalwane to enjoy gatherings abantu few. So they enjoy being few, so that makes it not difficult now to start something, because when they start they'll be 2 or 3 and then they grow. So basically see develop le endurance yokuba abantu bangaziva benesizungu when they are few. Yes. And another one was that wherever there are abazalwane sibatholayo, even if they are few, even if they are 3, if we happen to get land, we build for them. Even though they are few, when we build, we build building as obankulu, so that when we visit we can be accommodated, even if they are going to be few when they meet. So basically that's a strategy, but again it challenges in terms of money, because you really have to organize money for those girls.
Okay, so sesizoqeda bazalwane because sekufayile sami, but when it comes to leadership, i-structure ishayina leadership yakho. I can see le vision it demand ukuthi ube nama-teams, and ungasebenzi wedwa, yabo. And I'm assuming that we are using the Book of Acts. Because what we have learned from the Book of Acts, the more we add leaders, the more we add members. That's how members are being added into the church.
We develop leaders. This is based on our satellite leaders. Because those branches is based on our satellite. So we develop satellite leaders, we develop media, we develop leadership change and link mail. So we have that. And this is our media, because media yenza bakwazi babalink. If base East London bakwazi babukelwe ngabasemthatha while they are jointly working.
And I'm going to follow you on Facebook now. So any last words before Sivalelise? And thank you so much to our cameraman, Pastor Dwayne from Western Cape.
No, what I can say to abazalwane abefundisi ukuthi, since we're saying AFM, whenever there are people, there'll be AFM. We need to make sure that wherever you are, there is your assembly, if you can. Not just to make a culture of fellowship ministry as they develop. You need to enjoy abazalwane together in small groups, so that because the relationship they become practical there. Yes, thank you very much.
I'm coming to you in the August, the conference.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, this year definitely. I'm coming with my team.
Oh, I'll be honored.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.